Hi friends, let me show you this Homcolorful car protecting pad for your pets. It's easy to install and it will make your pets to ride happy with you in your car and your car to be protected from scratches or any kind of, even if your pets relieve themselves in the car. Okay, you get these installation instructions. It's so easy. You just have to put the pad in all the headrests and it will stay put when your dogs are in the car. Okay, let me show you. Fits all kind of cars in the back seat. Okay, as you can see, so easy. We will put it in the headrests and we will have this nice, soft protecting pad for your pets to ride with you. Let's try it. Hi friends, so I'm going to show you how to use this back seat cover for your pets. It's so easy. First you have to put this inside the car so the car cover will be firmly installed. Then so easy, you just have to put this on the headrests. Milo is already to go. Okay, then you put this zipper and this will help you to get it through this. So the car cover is firmly installed. Okay, this goes in the front headrest. Okay, as you can see, it's like a canopy. And we are going to do it the other way around. The headrest, the back headrest, and through this hole, you can put this in the buckle of your car and leash your dog. Okay? So we are going to put Milo here. Milo, man. Okay? Milo is going to drive with us. This is the leash that is already buckled in your car. And we are going to close the cover. As you can see, your pet can drive nicely with you. Your car is protected, he is comfortable, and he is leashed to the buckle of the car. So he can't go anywhere if you open the door. Well, he'll try, but he is leashed to the car, okay? So if you like to travel with your pets, if you want to protect your car, this car seat cover protector is a great option. Say bye-bye, Milo. Thank you.